CNC Multi-Axis Drilling and Milling Machine Tool Live Application Demonstration Episode 1. Good morning everyone, welcome to our Jiufengheng machinery. I was holding a plastic PVC profile. This is a new material that can be used in building decoration, furniture industry, or new energy vehicle industry. What problems do we need to help clients solve? In the past, its holes were circular. Today, our machine needs to process this U-groove or called a long groove. In addition to drilling, milling is also necessary. In the past, customers used to use CNC machining centers to make milling. When this material is the longest, it is about 5 meters, 8 meters, and 6 meters long, with 26 holes on it. When customers use CNC machining centers, they must come one by one, and the CNC machining center does not have a stroke as long as 6 meters, so the processing cost for customers will be very high. Basically, in just a few seconds, we drilled out 26 U-shaped holes. If we were to continue feeding and receiving, it would take 5-6 seconds.
9分衡机械